because if you are applying to PhD programs in Canada, they kind of look amazing on paper. And to tell you the truth, they kind of are. But as in anything related to grad school, it's really important to read the fine print. But the good news is that most PhD programs in Canada are fully funded, which means that they cover tuition and that they provide you with a stipend that ranges from $20,000 to $40,000. It's going to depend on the program. The good news for international students is that the cost of tuition is not different than it is for domestic applicants anymore. Pretty much you are not expected to pay the difference between the two, which is a very good deal for an international student if you compare it to the US. But there is a catch. Contrary to other types of programs, you're pretty much expecting to be teaching throughout your PhD pretty much every semester. So it's really important for you to manage your time accordingly and to be prepared to work a lot, teaching, grading, preparing exams in addition to your research work, etc., etc. It can be a lot. Also, the stipend might not be sufficient to cover all your expenses if you're intending to live in Toronto or in Vancouver. So it's really important for you to go in with your eyes wide open. But the good news is that there are external fellowships available to students in Canada that you can apply for. I will leave the acronyms at the bottom of the screen because I hate trying to remember these acronyms, but you can research them and find out about their deadlines. They might be sometimes before the actual deadline for the application. So really conduct some research there.